So, do you voice over work? So, professional forming voice over work, and excellent way to quickly make money online. Most voice over job or project basis. So, long term commitment isn't recorded. So, based of all campaigners, are you always looking for new voice over talent? Here are just a few explained of how to use your voice to make good money. So audiobook help being a store a life, lending a voice to children. So store book, novel, and everything between. The advertisement, so add advertisement and communicals ads with a voice over are still a popular way for companies to market their product over service. Talent, movies, show and events create trailers to build equation. So this model video someone okay. So the among your earn for doing voice over project and different you are explained the project type over and state length for explained and average salary of voice earned articles doing small to medium project in the United States in around $40 recording hours. Okay. So on the other hand, audiobook voice the $125 recording hour or $500 finishing hours. The later referring a book reading times of work find the best voice over job. So on your one of the easiest way to get started by creative and profile of work and responsibly direct to job ads looking for voice over talent. Singing up to freelancer website excellent way to the test way to compare voice over jobs currently available. So your voice export voice over. Then sign up for free. The descript sounding like easy job, good voice over talent. So thank you all guys and all members.